Central Agriculture University Imphal gi makhada awang nungpuki state taruk ta leriba college taruk ta multi technology testing center taruk thamnaba thabak pakhat ba hokre Kurumjari Istv gi Manipuri pau miyeng tabiri busing butaram na oksari hoji pau sandong na pizari Central Agriculture University Imphal gi makhada Assam yaudana awang nungpuki state taruk ta leriba college taruk ta multi technology testing center taruk thamnaba thabak pakhat ba hokre Istv news ka akhanana unaba amada university asigi vice chancellor Dr M Premjina haikibada haidaba state taruk adudi Manipur yauna Mizoram Tripura Arunachal Pradesh Sikkim amadi Meghalaya da thamgadabani hairi Testing center taruk thamgodoriba sigidamak sananaba lam khandokpa loire Saba Hogatnaba government ki work agency singa memorandum of understanding ama sign tongnakre hairi test skapi gani state taruk asigi manungda Manipur gi oina Imphal da thamgodoriba testing center sigidamak work agency gi maikaidagi makhoi gi conceptual plan amadi estimate sing loina saba loikre atuba matamda thabak horaba yana leire haina Dr M Premjina Istv news ta thajaba thamrakli
the popular oiriba high yielding variety saksha hoba CUR1 is a university technology ni variety ni masi Manipur dadanatana nasiti adopa Meghalaya khangde natraga Arunachal Pradesh Mizoram the pakshan thare aduna hari technology singshi university ki any technology shi adopa pura northeast ki state tariat Assam yaudana masai da koina sandona ba adugumba multi technology testing center si am darkar le yana khanjai khodamoina harabada akoi Sikkim leriba College of Agricultural Engineering and Post Service Technology da moina develop toba akoi ki pineapple ki powder adik pineapple ki osmo dehydrated pineapple ring si akoi Sikkim College ki technology ni masi akoi Manipur da akoi parakadore masi da makta akoi 1.52 crores ki akoi ki akoi processing unit ama akoi supply order fee betanatana hojik thama ki manungda akoi iroisha mada leiriba College of Agriculture for Technology shu leiriba mpham sei da akoi install tawtore
Nakalamurumda hojik CAU gi makhada leiriba college taret asigi mathakta 12 5-year plan gi makhada Ministry of Agriculture na haukiba December tang 13 da anoba college taruk amaga hangnaba ayaba pirakhibagi matungina hojik state mari da leiriba college mari gi class hokre Lagliba July amadagi manga suba college oigadoriba Mizoram gi horticulture college ki class hongnaba university na warep lori hairi masigi damak lam loksile work agency na college asi sabagi thabak paikhatpa hore masigi mathakta taruk suba college amma oina Nagaland da veterinary college amma hangnaba thabak paikhatli lam loksile work agency su identify tore haina vice chancellor Dr M Premjina makhatana Istv news da khangalakli
Hausikmaki oinati ngasai Nagaland si Central Agriculture University Imphal ki jurisdiction da yaudri masigi damakta koina India government the Ministry of Agriculture da parliament da koi ki CAU ki actually emento view haina koi thamari manga gi mamang da koina request over adana mathangi parliament ki session da koi ki ek emento rakanda ida Nagaland si CAU Imphal ki jurisdiction da yaholaga handaki saida ngamdragasu mathangi saida di akoi veterinary college issue hauragati akoina present government shina ngasai gi moina sanction toriba college taruga do koi establish to gi do koi fulfill torani haina ina mot mayam da phongdopchani
Amuko UCM Pandam Amadi Civil Society Organization Singi losing Singyangna Uripok Leba 120 Housing Private Limited ki management team gi oiba apun ama Jingmirong de Leba Hotel Granta Pangtokre Mama Mapa Signa Masama Su Singdalam in Kol Pitokagi Ming on Badala Riba give Jitki registration fee asi Mamang da Chatnaramba nominal fee asi Hana Lorumba fee du Gichang da Longanaba Mipam Aduna Sarakagi Punjin Ki Hanegi nominal fee adu makhata na chana handuna sarkarna laurabadi campaign asina bar sarkarga memorandum of understanding sign tongnaduna miyamda lupa lakh ani listing kun fawgi subsidy fawwa housing loan gi khudong chaba piriba si araiba mongda phangan mangamgani haiba thap wapam sing thamnaki wangang kibasing na phongdong lakibada Istv housing finance company asi lamdam asigi asset ama oirabanina Miam nasu masigi kanaba singlo bagaloina company asibu hinganba mathau tai haiba wafam sing phongdong naki hoji pawgi malthana te mabrem tang lawjari
Admission open Bhakti Coaching Institute Bosem Amadi CBSE ki class 9 Amadi 10 ki foundation course ni English Math Science Social Science hariba subject sing sida experience lairaba oja sing asem naba tongram gulam char laisram nando Sushil Sharma na singba oja sing na takpi tambi gadawri laglibe April ki tarik 13 dagi session haujaragani matam ayuk pung 5 dagi 3 makhai phawba afaba mahiroi puthokpada ikoi bisu sargu hanbiu Bhakti Coaching Institute lengtha awangoi school hurai thangjam lekai
Manipur gi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ngasi mag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal
Delta tutorials for CBSE, Kwakatel Airport Road opposite Oil Pump. Admission open foundation course class 9, 10 and 12 science starting from 1st April. Vacation course for Nabodaya and others for class 11 science from 4th April to 16. Time 10 am to 7 pm. For details, please visit Delta tutorials, Kwakatel Airport Road opposite Oil Pump. Mountains Coaching Center, Chimerong for class 7 to 10 Bosem. Admission open for subject Maths, Science, Social Science and English. Counseling and interactions with different selected well-known leaders on every Saturday after the coaching test. Special features 20% fees discount for students securing 80% and above in the previous exam. Fee structure Rs 8,000. Please contact 961 2363 858.
Combined tutorials for CBSE. Admission open for 6 months foundation course for class 9, 10, 11 and 12. 3 months vacation course CBSE class 11. Class starts from 4th April 2016. 2 months Sainik, Nabodaya and outsider during vacation course CBSE class 9, 10 and 12. Class start from 1st May 2016. When service separate hostel available for both boys and girls. For details, please contact Combined Tutorials Office, Sagodan Moirang Merak Machin, Bus Parking, Imphal.
Breaking Mutungda Taramna Moksari, Makataba Pagda, Nong Nasakiva, Johnson School Manigi, Temporary Market Seta, Masidagi, Imai Singh Hongjinduna, Poyunba, Honakre. Amarumda, Nong Nasaba Temporary Market Set Asida Pofam Pambi, Ima Amana Fondoropada. Iram Nalaning Tina Sem Dabana, what Yongada Pumka, Jolly Solitoba Amadi, Port Level Lakador Bamigi Masinga, Mapamasa Kaliba Ahang Basing, Asiga, Jana Daba Amadi, Tavagasi Mapung Panalo Shindabaka, Yauribasi, Marie Never Singa, Miyang Janghani Haina, Pondoragli. BJP Manipur Pradesh ki State Vice President Oriba T.S. Dadumanigi Thawal Wangbalda Yum Gapuna Leminaba Sorojini Oil Pump ki Geta Sakang Davasingna Chinese hand grenade Amathamnamde Ngase Oil Pump ki Secretary Oine Laiba Myoy Anina hand grenade Adu Thangarakibani Thawal Osina Lusing Police Kangu Amana Laklaga Aswa Angam Yawdan Loktokre Mamang Dasu Oil Pump Masida Bom Thamlambagi Thabakya Laikre India ne yumbu ojuna Madhya Pradesh ke Indore da laliwa tang nipan dege tarafa wapang tokataba ahum suba Asian Kho-Kho Championship da M Madhusudon Singhabu Kho-Kho Federation of India na Technical Coordinator oina khalakle lemjaningai oiba thau punanaba Madhusudon bu khalakpada Manipur Kho-Kho Association na nungai bu phongdoragli Central Agriculture University Imphal Gimakada, Awang Puki State Taruk Teleriba College Tarukta, Multi Technology Testing Center Taruk Tamnaba, Tabakat Bahokre. Hosiki, Istv Manipuri Pawmi, W. Singma Mukana, from Jari.